Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the love reading for the week of 2nd August 2021, and I'm using the Archangel Power Tarot cards by Doreen Virtue and Radley Valentine. So let's get into the reading of the week and see what are the love messages. Now something very strange happened before I started recording. So I recorded the general reading and then I started recording the love reading. But somehow I realized that it wasn't recording. I thought I'd pressed the record button, but it didn't. So I just felt I just felt out of sync, and I thought I'll redo it. And if those messages are to come again, those cards will come again. That's what I've told my angels. So let's see what happens next. So I feel that maybe that was not something that was needed for this week. Solutions. I feel that if you want your partnership or your marriage or your relationship to be successful, then success only comes from objective compromise. I feel that if you or your partner, you're going through some tough times in your relationship, I feel that there has to be a little compromise. You need to sit together, find a solution, like the card says, and you need to not be controlling in your love life. You need to have a lot of patience and also need to just give out a lot of forgiving and healing energy. Those of you some of you may also feel this week that I am done. I do not want to be with this person, and this could even be marriages. So I feel that some of you might just be like, I've fallen out of love. I don't love this person anymore, and you are just kind of wanting to be alone. You feel that you are better off alone rather than with your partner, but yeah, so those thoughts are coming. I feel that your relationship is not balanced for some reason. You might not you are either falling out of love, or you're really really disappointed, and you've come to the conclusion that I really need to move on and see what I need to do with my life rather than being with this person. So I think those are the thoughts that's coming in. So I feel those of you wanting to be together and make it work, there needs to be a lot of compromise and a lot of patience. So if you're the person who doesn't have patience and cannot deal with waiting or compromising and things like that, well, relationships are about that. And if you cannot, then I feel that you will finally realize that the solution is to cut off from this person completely. Let's see the next card. Six of Gabriel. So Gabriel is archangel for creativity and communication. So I feel that some good news is coming your way regarding work, especially if you and your partner are doing something together. So any project, any business, any work that you both are involved in, I feel that very very good news coming in. So congratulations for that. I'm going to put in good vibes from now on only. I feel that you will be in the state of mind where you're like, oh, this is done, what next? So you are in that zone that I have so many tasks and I'm completing them successfully, and I need to keep putting in more tasks and seeing what is the next step. So I think great work. So this could also be a lot of recognition coming your way, awards, promotions, scholarships, and things like that. So some important communication coming your way very very soon. It could be this week, it could be by the end of the month as well. So keep that in mind. Let's see the final card. Page of Raphael. Again, a lot of social invitations this week. So you or your partner may be invited to a lot of social events, and you might actually not be in the mood to go. I know a very strange message coming in, but I feel that it's a time where you are really focused on something and you do not want to indulge in anything frivolous. So normal social events which you will not be benefited from, I feel you won't go to those. So I think this reading is mostly about couples who are working together, who have a certain project or business together, so they are doing everything together. I feel that you will feel that, I will only go to the social event where I'll be gaining something. So that networking where I know that I will have some gains out of it. So that is what's coming in. I'm also getting a messages for those who are single. A new emotional situation is coming in, but I feel that you have to be very careful with this new person. I feel that it may not be permanent, it may be for short duration. So if you're in that zone where you feel that you don't want like a serious relationship, then it's all right. If not, then it's time to rethink about it. So yes, I think this week is all about communication when it comes to relationships. You and your partner doing things together. I also feel women especially you will feel very special by your partner. So your partner may do something, certain acts of kindness, or they may pamper you and you'll feel very loved and beautiful. So I think that's quite brilliant for all the women watching this video. So I hope that happens with you, and I hope you get a lot of success this week and only good communication and good news. So I hope this made sense, and if you want a personal love reading, you know what to do. Send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment for you as soon as possible. Love and light to you all. Bye.